Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I have good news to all of our viewers and subscribers and followers of our social media platform. I will be giving away the text format of this 29 commonly asked questions during final research defense. How to answer these questions and where to find the answers. For you to avail a free copy, all you need to do is to follow the procedure from 1 to 5. Number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Doc Ed Padama. Number 2, follow my FB account at Doc Ed Padama. Number 3, follow my TikTok account with the same name, Doc Ed Padama. And then screenshot all of these three as evidence that you have accomplished all of them and then send it to my FB Messenger. And then the last one is to share this video to your friends. So as you can see, the questions 29 questions given during final defense is blacked out, but I will remove that once you have complied with the procedure that we have discussed. So all of this covers the introduction and background of your study, review of related literature and studies, methodology, results and discussion, conclusion, and recommendation. And then immediately after the list of questions, all of these questions are 29 in total. There will be the next part, which is how and where to find the answer. So this is a script presented in generic form. So whatever your research is, this will be applicable and you can use all of these references, answers, and where to find the answers in your research defense. Definitely, it will be a big help to all of the researchers, students who are scheduled to have their final defense. So again, I encourage you to please share, follow, and like our social media platform so you can avail of this free copy of this 29 commonly asked questions during final research defense. So I hope to hear from you soon, and thank you very much. Again, God bless, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye!